In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how masks can work to create some areas of interest in your piece, in this case, popping of color in a black and white image. But image adjustments will work in any of these ways. If you're going to do this, I would choose a picture that has some kind of color in it that you would want to create that color pop. And then we would go ahead and, as you know, make this black and white. In your layers box, you'll see that the image adjustment is there. This creates a protective layer on your work. You will then need to use your paintbrush tool, okay, and making sure that black is the foreground color. Because what we're going to do is we're going to paint black in this white box, basically wherever we want that color to show up. So if your white is forward, you can just click this arrow. You can also hit your X key on your X pad on your keypad to make that happen. Your brush size can be changed up here at the top. However, I like to visually do it by choosing my bracket keys, which are next to the letter P on your keypad. The left one will make that smaller, and the right one will make that bigger. I would keep your hardness kind of pretty low so that it creates a softer edge. And then I would just go ahead and I'm just painting. I'm just painting right here wherever I want that color pop. Okay. And notice that your image adjustment, it is now black where you've just painted. So let's say you're painting and whoops, you make a mistake. You can hit X on your keypad or toggle to bring the white and just paint right over it and fix it. Okay. So this will work with any image adjustment. So say you want to do something with, adjusting your curves, your levels, your exposure, and then you want to, darken most of an image but keep some light in some places. You can do that same thing. So again, really all you're doing is you're adding an image adjustment layer, you're using the black to hide that change, and the white will be the presence of that change. So again, I can go with my white and I could bring that all back. Okay. Again, using the black and bring that color pop back in there. And see if I make a mistake, just use my white to bring it back.